What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I'm going to do another market structure update for NIO. So we'll start off with the daily chart. Let's go and put the channel on here. So it looks like prices are kind of moving in this very shallow downtrend channel. Obviously, it's not that strong. It's very weak, but it's still a downtrend channel nonetheless. So when we hit the lows of the channel, we expect prices to reach the opposite side in the form of 2 attempts. So you see hit the lows here, it tried to go up once, pulled back twice, failed. But in this time, prices hit the lows of the channel and made a very large impulse higher the first time. So there's a good chance we can expect to see another impulse about the same size. So last time I did my analysis, price was right around this 840 level. And I said if we go any lower, then this is looking like we failed to go higher, and we might just come back down to lows, maybe see some type of double bottom. So this was kind of like the line in the sand, but you can see that prices failed to go any lower. It stayed above this breakout point, and then it continued higher. So now price is in the second leg up, targeting the mid $11 level because that's the opposite side of the channel. So currently we are seeing some type of resistance right about here at this 1050 level. But there's a good chance, this trend might still continue higher to reach the opposite side of the channel. So we'll have to wait and see. It could find resistance here. We could sell off. But what I want to see is something like this. We try to go up once, twice, fail, and then, we drop down lower. So there's still a lot, left for me to say that we're not going to go higher. Right now, it looks like, the bulls might be taking the lead, and we could probably see that 1150 reached. If I connect the swings, it looks like prices could be in this channel right over here. So there's still room to the upper side of the channel too. So right now it looks kind of bullish for NIO. We stopped right at that 850 level, 840 level, which was needed to occur. Stay above the breakout point, stay above or near the EMA. Prices gapped up higher, and then obviously we're in the second leg formation currently. So looks like we're finding a little bit of resistance, but there's a good chance this might not hold, and we could see higher prices. If it holds, then what I want to see is something like this. A failure to go higher and then drop down lower, something like that would be what I want to see. So right now price still has the opportunity to continue higher to that 1150 level. So that's all I have for NIO on the daily chart. Let's take a look at NIO on the weekly. So here's NIO on the weekly chart, and you can see the downtrend is starting to get very weak. It's coming to an end most likely. You can see that this is the downtrend right over here. Connect the swings, fits pretty good. Price was unable to reach the opposite side of the channel multiple times, which is right over here. And then it broke outside of the channel, started to go flat, barely could make any new lows. So you see that price made a low right here, could barely make any more newer lows. So it's starting to kind of curl over and maybe potentially reverse. We'll have to wait and see. But as right now, NIO, it's not in this aggressive downtrend like it was in the past. This is more like a very weak to sideways trading market. So if NIO continues to pump up higher, it might be able to reach this $14 level right here because that was the prior breakout. So maybe the price wants to retest this level. So we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, NIO on the daily chart looks like there's some potential to continue higher. Also on the weekly chart, there's potential to continue higher to that $14 target. And that's if we continue to move up higher, because this downtrend looks kind of weak, and it looks like the bulls might, the aggressive buyers might come in the market to bid up the price. So this looks very good for a potential, at least temporary move up higher. So that's all I have for NIO this week, Monday, and maybe I'll give you guys an update next week, Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.